Hey y'all, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. Man, I am tired. We just spent the last 3 days out in the woods, probably about 25 hours sitting in ground blinds, deer stands, and hoping for that big buck. But you know, hunting's not always about harvesting, and this wasn't the weekend. So I hope you guys will like this little short video. I just put some clips together of what we seen while we were out in the woods. This week's adventure was really just about just taking a step back and enjoying nature, and we're gonna call it deer stand therapy. So I hope you guys enjoy. We'll see you soon. Oh, well, that ain't good. My boot done come apart. All right, y'all, I hope you enjoyed that video. It was short and sweet. Not every adventure is going to be big and spectacular. Sometimes the simplest of things are the most enjoyable. I really did enjoy this weekend. Sure wish Allie could have been out here with me, but she just wasn't feeling good. So we got a couple weeks we're going to take off, and then hopefully we'll be back up here when it's a little cooler, and we'll find that buck we've been looking for. But hey, y'all, I just want to say thank you for your support. It means so much to me. I hope that you liked the video. If you did, I encourage you to hit that like button. Please comment, share my videos, go back and look at my playlists. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. We're a small channel. I'm trying to grow. I'm trying to get my content better. And by you subscribing, it's going to help us to move forward and continue our journey. So y'all remember, life's really the adventure. So get out there and live it. Until next time, take care. God bless. But we gone.